Ladies and gentlemen, people equal shit! Let me see your hands in the fucking air, let's go! Here we go again, motherfucker! Oh, yeah! What's the matter? We're gonna nominate everyone. Right, get the fucking apart first. On the damn, let it get here, let it fit. It's like I want to sift in a TK. Feel like a wound, like I got a fucking gun against my head. You know what I'm saying? One more time, rock and roll. Everybody hates me now, so more people to my bitch on my hands, and I don't know why. I'm not afraid to cry. None of your bears are not so lovely. Let's it, but the rats are always spend next night. I wanna leave without a trace, cause I don't wanna die next month. I wanna hear you say it. I wanna hear you say it. What you gonna do? Don't love for you. I'm thinking of a body. This is where you make some fucking noise for us. Contagion of sin and the sound is sighted. You want from me, and never told me to be I was meant to be. Now, overdo it, don't tell me to blow it. Drop your mind and fuck your way through it. I'm not like you, I just fuck up. Motherfucker, everybody is a dog. Motherfucker, everybody is a dog. I know why. I wanna hear you say it. I wanna hear you say it. I wanna hear you say it. What you gonna do? I'm not afraid of you. I'm the end of the fight. Got the rise. On behalf of my brothers in Slipknot, thank you so much for making this a night we will never, ever forget. Obrigado! We have one more song for you tonight. Would you like one more song?